Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are exploring and trying to solve this problem for Roger. He has 3 different flavors, sweets, strawberry, orange and lemon, and he wanted to pack an equal number of packets for each flavor. So we are then tasked to find what's the maximum number he can pack and how many sweets are there in each packet. Okay, so maximum number, greatest, and there is an equal number of packets for each flavored sweets. So for this particular question then, I will actually make use of the successive division method to find the highest common factor. And so I will be able to divide by 2, and that will give me 49, 21 and 70. And the next prime number that is common between the 3 numbers will be 7. And there's no more prime numbers that is common. So for part A, the maximum number of packets for each sweets will be 14. Sorry, should write down 2 times 7, 14. And for part B, how many sweets were there in each packet? For the strawberry is 7 sweets, for the orange is 3 sweets in the packet, and for the lemon flavor is 10 sweets. So for part B, you could actually just simply use the number below, number of sweets for each packet, equals 7 plus 3 plus 10, 20. With that, we have come to the end of this video, and if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you and have a nice day.